College, cloudy 36, and Johnstown, cloudy 34. In West Virginia, Morgantown, fog, 40 degrees, Wheeling, cloudy 40, Parkersburg, cloudy, and 41. In Southeast Ohio, Zanesville, cloudy 40 degrees, and Columbus, cloudy 40. Once again, at Butler, it was 37 degrees under cloudy skies. Here is the river report. Rivers will remain steady with lack of liquid equivalent forecast. The following are today's 7 a.m. observed stages. On the Monongah Hill River, the Great Landing stage was 10.1 feet. At Charleroi, the stage was 10.1 feet. At Elizabeth, the stage was 10.1 feet. And at Braddock, the stage was 11.8 feet. And on the Allegheny River, Franklin was 5.9 feet. Parker was 5.0 feet. The Kittanning stage was 11.7 feet. Sharpsburg was 11.5 feet. Also for the Ohio River, Pittsburgh was at 17.0 feet. The Dashiell stage was 14.9 feet. The water temperature on the Allegheny River is about 40 degrees. Winter weather message. For the following counties: Crawford, Pennsylvania. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 7 a.m. Monday. What? Lake effect snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches. Where? Northern Erie and Crawford counties. When? Until 7 a.m. Monday. Impact. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Additional details: highest snowfall totals are expected in areas east of the city of Erie. The highest snowfall rates are expected between 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. today, when snow may begin accumulating on area roadways. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission remind motorists to adjust speeds based on driving conditions as winter weather impacts Pennsylvania roadways. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions. Nearshore forecast.